Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Number 10, I can put into 1 plus 9. This one that is about identities. So I will put s minus 1 everything to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus 1 equals to number 3 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 9 tan t square, number 9, we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have secant of t square. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1, we put number 1 gone here, so 1 minus 1, you got number 0. This one we can find the value of t, and that's about t equals to number 0. When s equals to number 4, we put number 4 gone here. 4 minus 1, we have number 3. 3 divided by 3, we have number 1. So we can find the value of t, that is about b over 4. So number 1 we change by number 0. Number 4 we change by b over 4. S minus 1 we change for this one. ds we change for this one. So this one we have 9 tan t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization, and we have like this. This one we change for secant of t square, and now we need to simplify secant of t square, So this number in here, we have 8 over 3, and we have 8 over 3t, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 4. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have 2b over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.